Hello everyone, and today I will be wandering around my redstone. What is this? Oh, it's a zero-tick noisemaker. If you guys want to know how to build this, then all you need are these materials. Well, these three items can just be any items that make sound and a redstone block. So first, lay down 4 sticky pistons like this, and then on one of them, put a redstone block there, and then an L of redstone dust, and then so is the other side. And then now on both of these sets of sticky pistons, put this kind of shape on it, and then put redstone dust on all of it, and repeat for the other side, like this. And then that will happen. And now you can just put as much stuff as you want. Make sure not to put anything on that block or else it'll break this redstone dust. To make more sound, you can also break some blocks and then put redstone dust back on, so then you can just place more. This is a really good way to annoy your friends. So if this worked, then please like the video, and if you really enjoyed my content, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!